The best gaming PCs can handle the most resource-demanding and graphically intensive video games, and do so in the biggest and most elegant design possible. Though these machines provide many benefits, they can often come with the steepest price tags in the PC market. Lofty costs notwithstanding, owning a powerful gaming rig pays off in numerous ways. We test all the new gaming PCs we can get our hands on to see if they pass muster for this list, and update the page as systems become available. Read on, and we'll help you find your next great gaming machine. Welcome back to another exciting video. In today's video, we will discuss top 5 best gaming PCs of 2023. Let's get started. Number 5. MSI Aegis RS11 Gen. The MSI Aegis RS11 is a top-of-the-line pre-built gaming desktop. The 11th Gen Intel Core CPU and options for an RTX 3080 bring awesome gaming performance in a design that you can upgrade yourself down the line. All of the parts are standardized, including the case. In fact, MSI makes the case, motherboard, CPU cooler, fans, GPU, and power supply. This is the type of pre-built desktop that you can upgrade, tinker with, and make your own over the next several years. If you don't have a keyboard and mouse, the peripherals that MSI includes are decent enough to get started, though you'll likely want to bump up the keyboard to something with mechanical switches eventually. Number 4. Corsair RS11. In some ways, the Corsair RS11 is a console-like pre-built PC. It takes up very little space on a desk with a 6.93 by 7.87-inch base that rises slightly taller than an Xbox Series X. But in that metal chassis is a set of top-end components, including an Intel Core i9-12900K, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti, 64GB of DDR5 RAM, and a 2TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD. The design pulls in air through the sides and exhausts it out the top, and it's not particularly loud. But that same petite form factor is what makes it difficult to upgrade. Sure, it's possible, but you have very limited room to work with, and the sides don't come off because the radiators are connected to them. In order to get this top-tier, tiny system, you'll have to pay a high price, however. We tested it at a wallet-busting $4,999, and the other configuration with Intel's 12th Gen CPU starts at $3,649.99. If that's too much, and it is a lot of money, you may want to consider some of the cheaper options on this list. Number 3. Dell XPS 8950. The Dell XPS 8950, starting at $749, proves that a gaming PC doesn't need to have an ostentatious design to be worth buying. As with its predecessor, the Dell XPS 8940, this desktop seems more suited to an office setting than one's personal gaming den. But despite its nondescript appearance, the XPS 8950 has plenty of power to run the best PC games. Dell offers a slew of upgradability options for this desktop, including additional RAM and storage, a liquid-cooled CPU, and up to NVIDIA RTX 3090 GPU. And since this rig is so customizable, you can add whatever components you may already own. But no matter which configuration you opt for, it will pack a powerful 12th Gen Intel Core CPU. Dell offers a slew of upgradability options for this desktop, including additional RAM and storage, a liquid-cooled CPU, and up to NVIDIA RTX 3090 GPU. And since this rig is so customizable, you can add whatever components you may already own. But no matter which configuration you opt for, it will pack a powerful 12th Gen Intel Core CPU. Number 2. Corsair Vengeance i7-200. The Corsair Vengeance i7-200 doesn't cost nearly as much as some of its competitors, but it still gives you access to some of the most powerful hardware on the market. That's because the Vengeance i7-200 comes in a plain-looking case and doesn't include any peripherals. But if you prefer substance to style, this is probably the right gaming PC for you. With CPUs up to an Intel Core i9 and GPUs up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090, you can make a beast of a machine if you can pay for it. Apart from that, the Vengeance i7-200 features beautiful RGB lighting, a tasteful glass side panel, and extremely quiet fans. That makes it a good productivity tool in addition to a gaming powerhouse. Whether you game in QHD or 4K, there's almost certainly a Vengeance i7-200 build that will work with your setup. Despite its sedate exterior appearance, the Corsair Vengeance i7200 is nonetheless capable of delivering the kind of performance you want, and where you need it most, whether in entertainment or productivity applications. You don't get any peripherals with your purchase, but the high-end components inside more than cushion the blow and ensure that you won't have to worry about upgrading for years to come. Number 1. Alienware Aurora R14 Ryzen Edition. The Alienware Aurora R14 Ryzen Edition is the best gaming PC you can buy right now. It's built with an AMD Ryzen 9 5900 CPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card for all the power you need to play the hottest AAA titles and most graphically demanding games. And with dual storage drives, you'll have plenty of space for your entire game library plus room to grow. A liquid cooling system works with the pre-installed fans to draw waste heat away from components, keeping everything running at optimal temperatures for better performance and power efficiency. The chassis also sports a unique, rounded design to stand out from the rest of the box-style, mid-sized towers on the market. And with tool-less access, it's easy to open up the tower to clean out fans, route cables, or upgrade components. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.